In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate profit and loss percentage in Microsoft Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel so we can work in a blank worksheet or an existing file. We'll keep things simple by using two values, the cost price and the selling price. For this walkthrough, place the cost price in cell A2 and the selling price in cell B2. If your sheet already has data, just make sure those two values are in those exact cells so the formula we're about to write points to the right places. Now let's calculate the percentage. Click into an empty cell where you want the result to appear, for example C2, and type this formula exactly, each B2, A2, A2. Press enter. Here's what this is doing behind the scenes. It subtracts the cost from the selling price to find the profit or loss amount, then divides that by the cost to turn it into a proportion of the cost. A positive result means you made a profit. A negative result means a loss. Right now, the value you see is likely a decimal, such as 0.15 for a 15% profit or 0.08 for an 8% loss. To make it easier to read, select the result cell you just calculated. With that cell selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click the percent style button, the one with the percent symbol. Excel will instantly convert the decimal to a percentage. If you want more precision, use the increase decimal or decrease decimal buttons next to it to show the number of decimal places you prefer. A quick example to check your understanding. If A2 is 80 and B2 is 100, the formula returns 0.25, which becomes 25% after formatting. That's a 25% profit. If A2 is 80 and B2 is 70, the formula returns 0.125 or 12.5% after formatting, which indicates a 12.5% loss. If the result shows an error like divide by 0, it usually means the cost price in A2 is blank or 0. So update the input and recalc. If you're working with more rows, you can reuse the same approach by placing cost and selling values in the same columns and copying the formula down from the first result cell. Excel will automatically adjust the row references, so each line calculates its own profit or loss percentage. That's it. Open Excel, use A2 for cost and B2 for selling, enter B2 A2, so A2 in a new cell, then format the result as a percentage. You now have a clear, accurate profit or loss percentage you can read at a glance.